Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel and my name is Anamika Shukla and I am from MP Madhya Pradesh. Those people want to learn English, they want to improve their English and they communicate with people confidently and they don't know how to learn English, how to communicate with people. This video for you. Now, I am not perfect in English, still I am learning English, but I will share my journey with you. When I was started learning English, first I tried to make small sentences. Like, I am making food, I am eating food, he is going, he is coming, he has come, like this. Every day I used to this small sentences in my daily life. And this is helped me a lot. And the second thing is, when I was a room in the kitchen, I used to describe things around me. Like, I have a pen and its color is blue and we use this pen for writing. And I have a bottle and its color is black and the water filled with water. Like this, I practice daily my sentences. And the third thing is, I used to shadow practice 20 to 30 minutes every day. The most important thing is, I used to watch one videos many times. And this thing is helped me a lot. If you want to improve your English, so you should watch shadow videos. And the fourth thing is, I use 5 new words every day and I make sentences with them. People that think if they watch videos while cooking and doing other work, they will speak English easily. But that's not true. If you want to speak, if you want to learn English, so you must need to practice more than more. If you learn English, so you must take out at least 20 to 30 minutes for practicing every day. Otherwise, you will never learn this language. So, these were my tips that I still used, and if you use them, you will definitely communicate with people, you will definitely improve your English. So please tell me in the comments how you practice and if this video was helpful for you. So don't forget like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.